In today's video we will discuss NIO stock performance in the month of March, and future predictions, and some new news about NIO. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to Growing Wealth and hit the bell icon, so you can get our videos in very first moments. Even your little help will really work for us to grow. Why NIO stock fell almost 15% in March? Shares of popular Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO sank 14.9% in March, according to data provided by S&P Global Market Intelligence. That added to a February drop, bringing the two-month decline to more than 30%. Previously NIO shares soared along with other stocks in the EV sector in 2020. But as interest rates began to rise in early 2021, investors started to rotate out of high-growth stocks, like NIO, that are valued on future earnings, and into value names. NIO also had company-specific news in March, including releasing its fourth quarter and full year 2020 financial results, and a direct impact from the global semiconductor shortage. On March 1, NIO reported fourth quarter 2020 results that met analyst expectations on revenue of about $1 billion, but showed a higher net loss than was expected. While vehicle sales soared more than 130% in the fourth quarter, and more than doubled for the full year versus the prior year periods, investor expectations are high after the stock gained more than 1,100% in 2020. Shares took more of a hit later in the month of March, when the company said it would be suspending production for 5 days, due to the shortage of semiconductors that has impacted many other global automakers. Now what for NIO's future? NIO estimated the production shutdown could reduce its first quarter deliveries by up to 1,000 vehicles to 19,500. Investors responded by knocking shares down more than 5% the day of the announcement. Subsequent to the end of the month, however, with 7,257 March delivery numbers, NIO reported first quarter deliveries of total 20,060. This was within the company's original guidance range, and represented growth of 423% over 2020's first quarter. The stock has rebounded off recent lows, but is still more than 36% off highs reached in early February. Investors are also looking forward to the launch of the ET7, NIO's first luxury sedan. It should be available early next year, and is available with a larger 150 kWh battery pack that will provide a range of about 621 miles, according to the company. The Hefei factory produced the first ET7 aluminum frame, rolled off the production line on April 1. With a market capitalization of over $60 billion, even after the stock's retrenchment, the company will have to continue its pace of sales growth, and make the ET7 a hit with customers. There's a huge potential EV market in its home country alone, and the company could grow into its valuation quickly, if the business doesn't experience further interruptions. NIO's 100,000th unit will also gonna roll out, off the production line on April 7. There are also some news about NIO's new model EF9. NIO has registered a brand new trademark called EF9, as shown on the website of the China National Intellectual Property Administration. There is no more information disclosed about the new car, but EF will be new models, according to NIO's existing products. NIO products are named by prefix and number, such as ES6, ES8, ET7, EC6, EP9. ES is for SUVs, EC for personalized SUVs, ET for sedans, EP for supercars, and the numbers represent the class. Some media speculate that EF9 has a certain possibility of being a sports car, positioned at the high end. NIO will hold NIO Day every year. Next year's event may give us a surprise. Now there are Wall Street analysis and technical outlook. Wall Street consensus has improved despite outsized 2020 share gains, with an Overweight rating based upon 11 new E6 and 1 L recommendation. Price targets currently range from a low of $38.80 to a street high $81, while the stock is set to open Thursday's session more than $20 below the median $63.64 target. Both the chip shortage and potential for delisting are at least partially responsible for this weak placement. NIO broke out above the 2018 high at 13.80 inches July 2020, and entered a powerful trend advance that posted an all-time high at $66.99 inches January 2021. The stock fell more than 50% into early March before finding support at the 200-day moving average. A pullback tested that level successfully earlier last week, while the subsequent bounce raises odds for a double bottom reversal and strong recovery wave into the low 50s. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it.